That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's bigger way. A little bit. Okay, so in this video you're going to probably see my continuation of greasing the deck spindles. This hasn't been done in I don't know how many years, but I'm not sure where. The grease is even supposed to be good. I just looked in the mower manual before I started this. Two shots each. Okay. One. There's still oil coming out, so there's oil in here. There's still grease and shit. Another thing is I'll check is the actual gearbox oil. Let's see. Oh. And you know, I think one of these caster wheels did fail. I think I know why too. I know exactly why these things failed. Poor maintenance. I forget which one did. That's all I can do now is try and grease them. I don't have any there, but it's pretty easy with this big of an air compressor. I'm just going around. Not taking any grease, but some of them aren't. Some of them aren't. I don't know why. So, yeah. Now the next thing I want to do is take a look at that gearbox oil. Check there. Looks like one mother effing Allen key. So what you'll see in another clip too is probably me buzzing off the blades and the blades on the DR too. Now I'm kind of hoping I've got a big enough Allen key for this. I should go big or go home. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, it's not even that one. Ah! Guys, I'm not equipped for this. I'm really not. Might have to get the big Allen key set. I don't think I've got an Allen key big enough for that freaking thing. Jeez. And I don't know if you saw the conditions of the blades that were in, but they're pretty much shot. So I'm going to try right with a 10mm. Oh, and lo and behold, that's too big. Good. And that one's too big. That one's too small. Guys, this thing's kicking my ass. So it's in between a 7 and an 8. So what if I... Actually, do I have other... Ooh, okay. So I gotta get 3/8 dry. Let's see if I can zip that off. I kind of feel bad because some of these, I mean, I don't know how much grease I put in these things. So they said the oil should be... Oh no, it's sludge. Oh no. Really? How the hell do you even drain this motherfucker? There's not even drain for this, is there? But there's oil in there. But it's, okay, it's not sludge. So that was a piece of dirt, but it's pitch black. So I would say that we could use some new oil in the gearbox. It smells burnt. Oh, it smells burnt. So hopefully there's no shavings or anything inside of it. I don't think, I can't remember. That's probably, I want to bet that's original gearbox oil too. So I'll have to write that down. And then I'll also have to order casters. I gotta figure out which one's broken. Woo! It's that burned oil smell. What is in here? Something tells me there's a grease fitting in here. Nope, there's not. Okay. I just looked in the instruction manuals and just went over what has to be done. Okay. So that's greased. It blew off. They say to pressure wash it, but I just took the air gun to it and it seemed to work okay. Belt. See, I'm not an expert at this stuff. So, and I know I missed the gearbox. I think the belt could be replaced too. I could be wrong. Oh, it could be replaced because there's cracks. Yeah, this is all cracked. I could be wrong, but I don't know. I'm hoping we didn't just destroy this mower deck because of lack of maintenance. But now, the next thing to figure out is I gotta get a jack or something. So the next thing I'm gonna do is see what caster wheels are broken. Maybe, if I can get the deck up. But actually, before I forget this grease, let's give her some grease. I'm gonna over-grease it to push the old shit out, because I'm sure old grease doesn't work as good as new grease. That's disgusting. And I also heard you could break seals too, but okay. This caster wheel's pretty loose. Let me see if I can tighten that. I don't think I've got the right nut to do that. It could be wrong, but I've yet to find a bolt in this case that I actually... That one's cracked.
My Maloney MS 4057, State Route 11, the Dreamland Motel.
Okay. That one's fine. Okay. Over here. Yep, that's why you're steel toes. How am I doing? Looks like I'm doing good. I don't know, do I replace the... Oh yeah, this one. This one. Oh! This one completely shit the bed. I might order all four. But I don't know. I mean, I don't know what has to get replaced and what doesn't have to get replaced. See what I mean? So, and I can bet you money. I could bet you money that if you guys think that they should be replaced, I could bet you money they have to be replaced because they were never greased. Like they're all loose. I don't know what's acceptable, what's not acceptable, but I would say this is shit the bed. I would be willing to bet this shit the bed. But so you guys can't even see that son of a turd. This is gonna get expensive quick. But all right, so let me see the rest of them. I'll pull that rock off and jack the other one up. I can't do that because that one's got weight under it. Oh no, tubes. What am I going to do? The plus note, the 70 still runs. Okay, well, let me get the rock out from underneath that one. And I'll actually show you the mower blades too. They're destroyed. Destroyed as in really destroyed. But I am happy that I have all these tools and an air compressor. Not just a shitty air compressor, but a high quality air compressor, I think. So I can actually do this. Because I don't know what shot... Obviously that gearbox oil's got to be changed. See, this one's cracked. I don't know if you guys can see that too very well. I see grease on the other side, but maybe I'm too late. Another thing I gotta fix is this, which I will fix it. I'll just put another bolt or something, or nut through there and just zip it on that way. It shouldn't be too hard to fix. Here's the mower blades. Luckily our contractor said he's got a spare set of these blades that he's going to give us. He's got no use for them because he doesn't have a John Deere mower, but hopefully they are. I trust them if they're the exact ones, but yeah, look at that one. But it's funny, he was over here and you know, we got the 3 blades, then we got the one that's like 2 feet long, and he's like, Jesus, which one's that for? I'm like, that's for the DR. That's for the DR. Snowblower's still on because I don't want to. I can access this. And you know what? I was just watching videos on it. I now know what the shield is for. This shield is so it doesn't wrap around that spindle bearing that's spinning around, which I guess that's another thing I'm going to have to look at. This doesn't have a gearbox, it's all belt, but I see grease points I can get to. So I'll try to get them too sometime. I don't know if I think back. Yeah, the gas isn't holding anything. Maybe even put some grease in there too. Yeah. So, just so I can get a video out for you, I'm going to conclude this video right here so it's not getting too long. I don't think it's long to begin with. I think all I did was, I think it's 14 minutes now, I can see. Dog. But yeah, so thanks for watching this video. And the next video, I'll actually show you installing the new blades. I'm just going to, I'll just show you putting on the mower. Let's see, putting on the mower. Putting on the Deere mower. So yeah, should be fun old time. That's the next thing I'm going to order, is new hydraulic caps for these. Because I forget which one it is. Oh, it's this one. So I'm going to order them. That's about 25 bucks. But I think $25 is pretty worth it compared to, like, oh, I don't know how much for a new transmission, because dirt got in it. These weights are working awesome. No, you guys probably can't see it, but we did block spade the driveway, so that worked out. It works great. Works great. Even on the second setting, it still tears it up pretty well. I mean, it's kind of loud and noisy, but I think that's normal. As you can see, we did grease the pins. Whoa! Holy shit! To my understanding, that's supposed to be going through the hole all the way. Holy frig! Holy frig! Damn! Okay. I don't know who did that. I don't know if that was me with the box plate. I'm just going to say it was me. Because I do tend to break shit. But then again, you can't break shit without using it, if you don't use it. Fact of life and equipment. Oh boy. Alright guys, take it easy. And I'll show you another video. Put it on the mower, put it on the Deere mower. But yeah, cool.